You are welcome on the KIN-MATICS channel. Today we want to solve this problem here. We are told to find the exact root of the surdal equation, the cube root of 3x minus 4 being equal to x. What is the exact value that satisfies this equation? This is what we are going to be looking for. In the beginning, we are going to first cube both sides. Try to power 3 both sides. So when you power 3 here, of course remaining with 3x minus 4 being equal to x cubed. Try to bring things together such that when you collect like terms, you make a cube equation, which is x cubed minus 3x plus 4 being equal to 0. Now, whenever you have this form here, always make a substitution, x being equal to, whenever you have this form of x cubed plus px plus q being equal to 0. Of course, p and q are constants. Always make a substitution that x is equal to another variable t. You can set t anything. T minus, you get this p divided by 3t. This substitution helps you to make the equation in this format. You're going to see what I'm trying to say. So in our form, our p was negative 3. Of course, we can see our equation. Our p was negative 3 and our q is 4. So when you make that substitution, of course, you simplify it here. Now you substitute where there is x, you'll be putting that substitution. Then you expand. After expanding, you collect like terms. Your equation turns out to be in this form. This will always be like that for any equation, no matter how it appears to be. It will always be in this form. Why am I doing this? Such that when you let t cubed to be maybe m, you can generate a quadratic equation, which is so easy to solve. So when you let your t cubed to be m, you'll be having m plus 1 over m plus 4 being equal to 0. Multiply through by m. I think that is the easiest thing to do. And form a quadratic equation, which is here, which when you solve, you find that m is equal to -2 plus or minus square root of 3. So what do I mean? Remember, we said that from here we said t cubed is equal to m, meaning t is equal to the cube root of m. This is what I'm trying to say here. So now since we have got the value of t, we make backward substitution. But always there is an observation I want you to get to know, that whenever you have t in this form, a plus or minus square root of b, always your value of x will be the sum a plus root of b, then plus a minus root of b. In other words, you just sum the values here, the plus and a minus. So in our case, our a is -2 and our b is root of 3. So we shall just have the sum of -2 plus, then -2 minus. But since this is a cube root, this negative can be taken outside, it's okay. And your value of x will turn out to be that value there. In other words, this is what we are supposed to do in this question. Thanks for watching the video.